Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda CRV key fob battery. First, remove the emergency key from the fob by sliding the release. Next, pry the fob halves gently at the seam with a small flathead screwdriver. Keep screws and small parts in a safe place. Finally, note the battery orientation before removal so you can install the new CR 2032 correctly and avoid any programming issues. Use the emergency key to create leverage and expose the fob seam, then carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver. Twist just enough to separate the plastic halves without forcing them, and set the key and cover aside. Handle the circuit board gently and avoid bending it while exposing the battery compartment. Work over a soft surface so parts do not disappear, and keep track of any tiny clips to ensure a snug reassembly later in the process. Quick recommendation: if you like small practical upgrades, Little Tree's Black Ice makes your car smell great and fits in any vent or cup holder. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful, short car tutorials you actually use. I've linked the Little Tree's Black Ice and other deals in the description for easy access, so take a peek there if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new CR 2032 battery in the slot with the same orientation as the old one, typically with the positive side facing up. Gently align the fob halves and press until you hear a firm click, ensuring all clips engage. Reinsert the emergency key and test lock, unlock, and panic buttons from a few feet away to confirm the fob is working. If buttons fail, reopen and verify battery placement and contact cleanliness before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.